Welcome guys, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how you can scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor even when the screen is turned off. So as you can see right now, even when I try, I cannot make it because the screen was turned off, right? We got there only always on display. But when you tap and the fingerprint icon just pops, right now we are able, right? But if you want to get the instant unlock from this position, you have to go for the settings. So let's log into our phone. Let's go for the settings, then choose the biometrics and the security. Next you have to go for the fingerprints, input your code, and then you have to go and turn on this option, fingerprint always on. So right now when we lock the device and put the finger right here, we can still be able to unlock the device, right? We don't have to raise our smartphone like that. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.